Hello and welcome. This is Sal Summers here with SS Multimedia. Today we're going to be talking about multiplying 2-digit by 1-digit numbers. Alright, so let's go over our objective. So our objective is understanding to solve a 2-digit by 1-digit number by multiplication problems. Again, not by. Sorry, I didn't say by. Let's pretend I didn't say by because I did. Understanding how to solve a 2-digit by 1-digit number multiplication problem. So y'all know what understanding is, right? And then, of course, solving is answering, right? I would solve 4 plus 2 by writing down 1, 2, 3, 4, writing down 2, and then, okay, I got 6. And this would be my solve or answer. And then a 2-digit, right, or 2-digit by 1-digit number means, so a 2-digit number, first we'll do 2-digit, then we'll do 1-digit. 2-digit number would be 37, right, because it has 2 digits. This 3 is a digit, and the 7 is a digit, so it's a 2-digit number, right? And then we have by 4. Because it's a 1-digit number because it only has 1 digit. I will be doing problems like, because it's a multiplication problem, we'll be doing problems like 37 times 4 equals what? Now that we know what we're going to be doing, let's go ahead and get started. So, we're going to be doing 2 methods today. One being the box method, and another being the standard method. And so we're going to start with the box method. So, I have 2 numbers here, 42 times 8. And what we're going to do, we're going to write this down in the expanded algorithm. Right, in the expanded way. So, what is 42 equal to? Right, 42 is equal to 40 plus 2. Okay, and one way to figure this out if you don't understand how to do it, you just draw a model for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Got the little cubes. You'll separate the tens blocks, right? That's 40. That's 2. Right, that's one way to do it. So let me erase that. There you go. We're going to write 40 and 2. So that's how you can do it. And then this 8 stays the same. So we split this 2-digit number into 2 numbers, 40 and 2. What we're going to do, we're just going to do this simply, right? We all know how to do single digit by multiples of 10, right? That's simple, right? Or it should be, right? 8 times 40, right? 320, right? And of course, if this is too hard, then that's okay. That's okay. You can always just use the standard method later. But this is just a different way. 8 times 40 is 320. And then 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, what you do 320 times 16. Right? Wrong. No. My bad. Plus. Right, and this is easy. You get an answer of 336. So as simple as that, without having to do any really hard multiplication, you get 336. Right, so that's actually kind of simple and easy. Right? And I know I went a little fast, right? So I'm just going to do a quick summary of what I did. I split 42 into a tens and ones, right? We've talked about place value relationships before, and place value in general. And we did 8 times 40 and 8 times 2. We got our, these are called partial products. Partial products. Right? So each one of these is a partial product. And we added those together to get 336. Okay. So now let's do the standard method, which is the one that's standard most people use. Right? And obviously it's all standard method. We're going to be doing the same problem, Okay, that would be know what the answer is, but we're going to use this different method. So I'm going to use green. Actually, no, I'll use red. I didn't use too much red last video. Right, we only used, not video, last part. Right, so let's do this. What you do, you're going to write 42, and then you're going to write times, and then 8. Right, and there you go. And this is pretty simple. All you do is do 8 times 2. You know that's 16. You have the 6, right? And what you do, you're going to regroup the 1s, right? So, here. What you have this number 16 as 8 times 2, right? You're going to regroup that 1 to go here. That 1 goes here just like in addition. And the 6 goes here. So you regroup here. Okay? And then you do 8 times 4, 32, right? And then what you're going to do, you have 32. Take the regrouped 1, add it to 32 to get 33. Just going to write 33. Our answer here is 336. What did we get here? 336. So, looks like our answer here is correct, and it is much quicker this way. However, I'm going to do that one more time because I feel like this one is more important to cover. So let's do a different problem. Let's see, what did we do in our objective? Let me go here real quick. 37 times 4. 37 times 4 it is. So, 37 times 4, right? Of course, 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. We all know that, if you know your times tables, right? You're going to write 28, right? 28, right? But you can't write 28 here. So what you're going to do, you're going to regroup it, right? You're going to take it up here, regroup it, and you're going to erase that there. So now you have that. So what we did, we regrouped the 2. That's another way of showing that you regrouped the 2. Right now, we have 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12, right? We add the 2 that we regrouped, not multiplied, added it to get 14, write 14 down. This number is our product. 148. There you go. Now let's go ahead and move on to palm time, because I think we got those covered. Okay, of course, if you have problems with this, that's okay. We'll move through them. So I want you to solve. I'm going to write down S near the standard method problems. Okay, and B near the ones that I want you to solve using the box method. Okay, and I have the box for you ready here. That way, when I do it, you understand. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get started. Pause the video and give it a go. And when you're done, post in the comments below what you get. So I'm assuming that you've paused the video and given it a go yourself. Now we're going to check your answers. Right, so we have 58 times 7. I'm going to do the box method one first. And actually, let's do standard method. You have 94 times 8. We're doing this one. Times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Of course, then we regroup the 3. 8 times 9 is 72. That's a little bit harder one. And add the 3. 752. There you go. Right? And now we have the box method one. Remember, first step is to split these in 2. And if you don't understand, you can draw the model here. Right? And of course, this will take longer time rather than just doing it, but It's all good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this amounts to 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. This amounts to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. 58. Right? And honestly, that's another way you can do it. So, rather than doing all of that, how do you pronounce it? How do you pronounce this word? 58. Right? 58. As simple as that. Okay, so that's a new way, actually. And you're going to write down the 7 right here. 7 times 50 is 350. Right? 7 times 8 is 56. Okay. 350 plus 56 equals 406. So our answer here is 406. Right? And of course, this method might be a little hard for you because you might not know how to do 7 times 50, but there is a trick to this that is pretty well known. So I'm assuming that if you know it, this method will be easier for you to do. If not, once you know the trick, it will be easy for you to do. Okay, and that trick will be explained in a later video. We have this is the next one. We have 29 times 3. 29 times 3. Let me go down a bit here. Too much. There you go. 3 times 9 is 27, right? We group the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 2. You get 8. 87. So our answer here is 87. So there you go. Here are all our answers. We have 752. And finally, I'm going to box them all. And green. 752, 406, and 87. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.